Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the same Apple ID on every device so all photos map to one account. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and connect to power. Large libraries need a stable network. Next, verify iCloud storage and upgrade if necessary. Choose 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB depending on volume. This step prevents upload pauses and ensures everything can transfer. Now open Photos and keep your devices awake while the initial sync begins. You enable iCloud Photos and choose how originals are stored. Optimize storage if your device has limited space, or download originals if you want local full-res copies. On a Mac, check Photos right arrow Preferences, right arrow iCloud. On iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow Photos. Once enabled, the app indexes and begins uploading. This can take hours or days for large libraries. Make sure background app refresh is allowed, and that you set cellular upload limits so uploads continue under the right conditions. You finish by verifying that uploads completed. Open Photos and look for a sync status, and cross-check iCloud. To confirm the master library is present. If items are missing or duplicates appear, restart the device, then sign out and back into iCloud to force a resync. This often clears stuck uploads. If storage is full, upgrade your plan or move non-essential files to an external backup before removing anything. One troubleshooting tip: reboot Wi-Fi and check Apple ID status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.